Aprilia has unveiled the updated 2025 RS660, bringing a range of performance, styling, and tech enhancements to one of the most popular middleweight sport bikes on the market. The most notable upgrade of the new 2025 model is the power boost. Aprilia has increased the parallel twin engine's output to 105 horsepower at 10,400 RPM, up from the previous 100 horsepower, thanks to larger 52mm throttle bodies. The engine also meets the latest 5 Euro plus emission standards, without compromising performance. Visually, the 2025 RS660 gets a sharper, MotoGP-inspired aerodynamic design, featuring large underheadlight, mustache, winglets, and side fairing winglets, which not only enhance stability, but also help deflect engine heat away from the rider. Tech-wise, Aprilia has added a launch control system for the first time on the RS660, joining a comprehensive suite of electronics, including an IMU-based Aprilia Performance Ride Control (APRC) system. This package includes traction control, wheelie control, engine brake adjustment, cruise control, multiple riding modes, and a bidirectional quickshifter. And all of this can be displayed on a 5-inch full-color TFT screen with upgraded backlit controls for better visibility. Now let's talk about its chassis and suspension. The chassis remains lightweight at approximately 183 kilograms, wet, with the standard version continuing to use a KYB 41mm front fork and adjustable monoshock. And for riders who wanting something more track-focused, Aprilia has introduced a new RS660 factory variant. It features premium Öhlins suspension, NX30 forks at the front, and an STX46 rear shock, offering full adjustability and sharper handling. The factory edition also gets unique graphics, a two-tone seat, and other performance touches that help it achieve a top speed of around 149 miles per hour or 240 kilometers per hour. But both variants come equipped with Brembo brakes, cornering ABS, and various optional accessories, including an SC Project exhaust, GPS lap timer, and touring gear. Compared to the previous RS660 model, the 2025 version delivers more power, improved aerodynamics, better electronics, and the introduction of the factory version for enthusiasts seeking premium performance. And with pricing starting around $11,649 for the standard model and $13,999 for the factory. Overall, the new RS660 range offers something compelling for both street riders and track day warriors.